So, di na nato dugayon. In 3, 2, 1! Hey guys, it's me, Dodong Dave. Today is a very big day for me because I'm gonna get something changed in my life. Something that's gonna be permanent and something that's a big change. This is a part of me where I've always been kind of insecure about, but somehow I've also accepted it. But since there's the opportunity to get it better, then I grabbed it. So today we're actually on our way to ONE NADELA Medical Group to get my nose done. It's a pretty big change in my life, but I just wanna share it to you guys because I don't wanna keep it a secret, because if I do, it becomes an insecurity. I honestly do not know how I feel right now. My girlfriend keeps asking me how do I feel, and all I could ever say is I don't feel anything, because the day is actually here, and I've actually known about this since like a month ago, but I just haven't had the time to give a schedule to the procedure. So today's the day where I actually gave time. I just want to say thank you, ONE NADELA Medical Group, for giving me this opportunity to have a better version of my nose. I know it's gonna turn out great. It's gonna give me more confidence. It's gonna make me feel good about myself. I just wanna let you guys know that it's okay to have something enhanced if it makes your heart happy, or if it makes you feel better about yourself, if it gives you more confidence. If you have the means, then why not go for it, right? It's a big deal for a lot of people, especially Filipinos, to have something drastically done. I just want to let you guys know that it's socially acceptable to have some things done like that. You know, it's 2020. There's nothing wrong with that. So if it makes you feel better, then do it. I actually know a lot of people, both guys and girls, that actually get their noses done, get their eyes done, but they're ashamed to talk about it, or they're ashamed to share about it, because it's probably because of the toxic Filipino trait. Because people give you for those kind of things. And I just want to let you guys know that it's okay. If it makes you feel better, then it shouldn't matter what other people think. What only matters is what you think. I just want to say thank you to my girlfriend for being very, very supportive. I couldn't have made the decision if it wasn't for you. For her, she was very supportive ever since the day I got offered. She pushed me to do it, and of course, to my parents. My parents are very excited for me. They're like, yeah, you should really do it. I would be stupid if I wouldn't do it. That's what they said. I've been receiving nothing but support from all of the people that matter to me. Even my close friends, all my close friends are like, you should go for it. I haven't been receiving any negativity from anyone at all, which makes me really feel better about doing it. That's pretty much it. So we'll see you guys there at ONE NADELA. So guys, we're here at ONE NADELA Medical, and I still don't know what I feel. I guess I'm excited. Doc Joel isn't here yet, so I'm waiting for him. I feel like padong kumularga kaya di na ko kita balik sa kong now. So I'll show you guys the results when it's here. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for the reveal. Okay guys, so I'm at the operating room. May mga po na dapat nga inihuman ang ilunga kay Alden. Aldeb Roniel. Alden, di ba ka na? Alden. Takot ka na. Kabahan ka na, Alden.
Yes, just to be honest, I'm feeling very lightheaded. I feel like I'm drunk. Ang paumam, guys. If di ka maigo sa sedative, so palahubog ka. Sibog na siya naman, you know. Cherry, why are you so busy?
Busy na, wait pa ni Doc Patch.
Anan naman kakapawaton?
Anan to eh, ipamuhat ko niya. Ipamuhat ko niya.
O, diba? Hangtod, kapadong na ko ukbon. Willing ka mo siya buwit. Sorry if I speak like this because I think, naigo ko sa sedative. Just to have, like, a little room tour for you guys. So we are at the operating room. So these are the things that, you know, get to see in an operating room. That's really amazing. Mas nakinganahan i-question na ako. Q&A with my operative assistant.
Question ni mo, guys. Sa kuan ba? Sa imo ipakita sa vlog ni mo, which is ikaw jud na. Imong personality ba?
Sa side na ako dyan na.
Ikaw jud na.
Ako ibang content nga nangaya kong idea, but in a script write, ako na. So it's still me.
Pero so far, nakita lang sa dyan ako nga okay kayo, ang batasan, okay na dyan. So wala ka siguro sa iyo kung mag-call ni mo, mag-subscribe.
Nag-Q&A mo ito. Dapat kasi ito kong Jew.
Hi.
So, hi vlog.
Hi!
Ina, hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Welcome to my guys. Unsa pa tayo mo kasyon?
Kalimot naman po.
Kalimot to sa go.
Kalimot na kalimot.
Dali ra kay ka namalimot di ay? Oo, di. Dali ra kay mo siya nalimtan.
Oh, cute. Serious ko buhat.
Kay Boka, even if mahuwat ka, it will always be worth the wait.
Lahi ka din Dodong Dave.
Okay, can you see Doc? Okay, they're both married. Pero laylay ilang partners. Sila ang married. Doc, can you describe how marriage is like?
It's like a walk in the park, Jurassic Park.
Seriously? Ito ba yung part?
Wala lang. So inspiring.
Dapat sila mag-feel siya gamer.
Wala na.
Wala ka na feelings like
Wala man. Kung mura man itong Jurassic Park, anong kilig nito sa Jurassic
ano sa'yo naong ni mo Doc Kiligon?
Ihiyon niya.
Ihiwan ko.
Ano ka ihiyon?
Ano ba? Saan siya Kiligon?
Wala, uy, mo siya reactions. Mama siya feelings.
So wala kay feelings no? Pero naman ka kay feelings para niya. Sana ay!
Ikaw may sana all.
Doc, sa imong married life, kay kapila ka kiligon in a day?
Sige rin mo tulog.
So, wala dyan kilig-kilig. No? Kibawa ka Doc ako, asa ko kiligon. Kaya mangihi ko. Okay guys, so Doc Pacho is here. Siya ang make sure nga na church ko. So Doc, if nai chances nga magbuwag ko yung meron ko yung manager ko, something magibuhat ko.
Basta pakanan lang yung kag noodles. Mabog ka. Ayun ang sinyalis. Siya na good.
Ito naubog ko Doc eh, di man noodles imong gipakaon.
Sige pa ka.
Ramen mangin ko, mahal dyan ka.
Samot na pag...
Taas-taas yung kagugman ako. So guys, this is it. It was a very memorable experience. Right now, my baby is being my nurse. Thank you, baby. What I could say probably is that the only painful part was the anesthesia. When they had to inject the anesthesia rather. Everything else was painless.
I actually already have pictures of what it looks like, but it's still a bit swollen. But I really love the results. Thank you so much, One Nadela. I'm genuinely happy. I'm gonna keep you guys posted with further updates. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of my post-op. So far, I haven't been feeling any pain on my nose directly, but more my ear hurts. The nose sometimes get a bit itchy, but it's manageable. I don't scratch it I don't scratch it at all. The doctor told me to frequently massage it like 2 to 3 minutes, so I just do this to massage. I also YouTubed it on how to massage it. It's pretty relaxing, but so far I haven't been experiencing any pain at all, except for the ear part, like I said. And I've been icing, basically my girlfriend's been icing me. She's been nursing me ever since day 1. So yeah, we'll post more updates soon. See you guys. Hey, just want to give you guys an update. So I finally got my tape removed and some of my stitches removed. It still looks a bit, no, not even a bit. It still looks swollen, but it looks way better than, you know, with the tape on. This isn't the final outcome yet, but this is day 9 post surgery. So you guys ready? Wow! As you can see, it still looks a bit swollen, but the stitches are really clean. There's still some stitches and a bit of wounds, but look, it's significant. Posting more updates in a bit. Hey guys, so this is another update. I am now at my 20th day post surgery. It's been looking pretty good, and the wounds have been clearing up very well. Our final update would be during my 30th day, or exactly 1 month post surgery. So far, I've been feeling really good about myself, and I've been very happy with the results. Thank you so much, ONE NADELA, for giving me this gift. Anyway, so I'll see you guys on day 30. Hey guys, so we're finally here at day 30 post-surgery. A lot has definitely changed. My nose has been looking more redefined. It's looking more natural. It's as if you didn't know me, you wouldn't know that I got it done. So, di na nato dugayon? In 3, 2, 1! So this is what it looks like now. The swelling is not significant anymore. It's not very obvious. The stitches are not visible anymore. There's just a bit of marks, but they're not that significant. It's been very clean. I also use Dermatix Ultra to help with my scarring. And honestly, I think it's been working pretty well for me because my scars have been fading very significantly. So from afar, you can't really see that there are scarring. I just want to emphasize on how important it is to clean your nose post-op status, because that would really determine how your results would really end up. My doctors have been telling me that the final outcome would be after 2 months. So maybe there's gonna be a bit of changes after this. But for now, I can really say that I'm very happy with how it's looking right now. It's been looking very clean, and all of my close friends and family who have seen me have also said that it has been looking very clean. And just so you guys know, I've started working out 15 days post-surgery, but that actually depends upon your doctor if he thinks it's okay. Another thing is that my results are very clean because I frequently clean my nose around 4 to 5 times a day. I really take off all of the scabs. It's a bit painful when you take off the scabs, but it's worth it because it looks really clean. So this is what I look like from the side. Pinakamaikog mo takilid. The other side. And up. I mean down. I just want to say this has been an amazing This has been an amazing journey for me. I was pretty scared when I got into it, but I definitely feel more confident. If you guys are thinking about getting a nose job and you guys are still doubtful, I just want to let you guys know that you should be emotionally, mentally, and physically prepared for the new change that's about to come for you. It's okay if you do it because everyone deserves confidence. Everyone deserves to feel happy. If you guys have any questions for me regarding the process, you can just comment them down below. And of course, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. Once again, this is Dodong Dave, version 2.0, literally. What about si sunod? See ya!